Hello friends, today I am going to show you some of the OnePlus accessories that we have to buy separately. So when you get a OnePlus phone, you won't get the dash charger and for car, and you won't get the USB OTG cable. So I got this from Amazon, and here it says around 700 rupees, but you can get it on 600 or 500 according to the deal that you have in Amazon right now. And as you can see here, it is shown that 2300 rupees, but I have got it on 2000 rupees. So let's start friends, and I will show you what we get in this two boxes. So here we go. Let's open this up very soon and fast. First we will open the OTG cable, and I hope it has, okay, here we go. So you get a nice tab here to pull it out. It's a good thing. Let's keep this aside. So here you can see this is the USB Type-C OTG cable, as you can see here. It gets the OnePlus red cable and the white accents. It looks nice. You can use this to use a lot of things, like you can use a mouse, you can add a keyboard, you can use it as a USB to transfer your files, as if you know that OnePlus phones get a lot of storage facilities and all. This OTG cable can be used in other devices also. I haven't tried that, but I will post you about that later on. So let's go to the second device. Here we go. Okay. You get a nice tab here to pull it out. The company, wow. We get a cable, and we get the OnePlus dash charger for your car. This is the same charger that we get on our OnePlus phones. Let me show you that. As you can see here, this is the OnePlus dash charger brick, and this is the OnePlus dash charger car charger. This can be used in the car, and it's quite handy and light also. The cable is 1 meters, I think. 1 meters. Yes, it is 1 meters. So that's all, my friends. Today I have shown you two of the OnePlus accessories that are the OnePlus dash charger for your car, and the USB OTG cable. And I feel that there are not much information left inside this box. That's it. Never settle logo and the user manual as it is. Thank you for minds. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, I will be very happy to answer you. Bye bye.